Hey guys, today I've got this Brinks Commercial Padlock. It's got the boron steel shackle, it's a 5-pin, it's got this all-weather door cover to protect the keyway, and plastic body to protect your door or shed or toolbox, whatever you got it on. So seems like a pretty decent lock. I've heard good things about them, so I had to order one and give it a shot and see how tough they are. So I guess try 40 thousandths. Got a little bit of wiggle room, but a 50 is not going to fit in there, I don't think. And we'll try a deep hook. I've got a lot of spring pressure to overcome here. And let's see how we can do. There's 2, there's 3, and we get a false set. There's 1, and we've got an even deeper false set. There we go, I got 4. And we dropped 1 a little bit, it looks like. There we go, I got a nice deep false set back. And pin 5 was not the right pin. Alright. Okay, there's 1, 2, 5. 2 again. 1, 3. 3 again, and we're open. Oh, I don't know what I did differently that time, but that time it worked. So going from the front helped a little better. So here's the bidding on this. So, oh geez, everything is up to the roof practically. So not too bad, didn't take us too long, but it sure put up a hell of a fight though. So that's the Brinks Commercial Line pad.